In recent years, vinyl tiles have gained enormous popularity in interior design. Despite this, many people still do not know what they are and why they can be a great choice instead of traditional materials. In this video, I will explain what vinyl tiles really are and why it is worth considering them. In your home, vinyl is flexible, durable, and easy to maintain, making it ideal for many applications, especially as a flooring covering, but also as a wall element. Vinyl tiles consist of several layers. The top layer is a protective layer that guards against scratches, a decorative layer onto which any pattern or graphic can be applied, and the main layer, which is a rigid vinyl mat that ensures durability. Some tiles, like this one, contain a self-adhesive layer that allows you to stick the tile to any surface. After removing such a film, what are the advantages of vinyl tiles? Well, first of all, their durability. Thanks to the protective layer, they have high resistance to all mechanical damage. In contrast, for example, to laminate panels, which are relatively easy to scratch or chip. Another advantage that personally convinced me to choose vinyl is its resistance to moisture. You can safely lay such a tile, whether in the bathroom or the kitchen, without worrying that it will swell. Of course, ceramic tiles also offer this possibility. But first of all, vinyl tiles are warm and soft, which means you can comfortably walk on such a floor, whether barefoot or in socks. Secondly, ceramics are expensive, problematic to install. Vinyl is definitely cheaper, and you can install it yourself without the need to hire a professional. All you need is a knife, and you can easily cut the tile in any way you like. The ease of cleaning is another advantage of vinyl tiles. You just need to wipe them with a mop or a cloth, and it's done. No special products are needed, just water is sufficient. Staying on the topic of cleanliness, vinyl is anti-static, which means it does not attract dust. Vinyl tiles are perfectly suited for use with underfloor heating, as they have low thermal resistance, allowing for effective heat transfer. Thanks to their thin and flexible structure, they heat up quickly, making the floor pleasant to the touch, and warmth spreads efficiently throughout the room. And finally, the endless variety of themes and patterns of vinyl tiles makes it easy to match them to any arrangement, from wood to stone to unique designs. Here are the vinyl tiles. And one very important thing, although I have been presenting vinyl tiles as a great flooring solution, they are also excellent for walls as a form of decoration, but also in a functional way, for example, around faucets. In summary, vinyl tiles are durable, practical, and easy to install solutions for any interior. They are highly resistant to damage and moisture and are available in many patterns, making them a great choice for the living room, kitchen, bathroom, and other rooms. If you are interested in purchasing vinyl tiles, I warmly invite you to browse our website. You will find such patterns there, as well as many others. You can find the link to the site in the description. Best regards. Bye.